How to fix Halo Campaign Evolved is crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click on the game and open up the properties. Now in the launch options add -dx11, then go to installed files and verify the game files real quick. And once this is completed, you can close Steam. Now you want to open up your browser and navigate to this link, which you can find in the description below. And from here, you want to get the 86 installer and the 64 for the distributables if you are on Windows. Now, when you install these, it will require a computer restart. So make sure to do that. Now, right after the restart, you want to also check if you have the latest GPU driver updates. So you can either use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software, depending on which GPU you have. And from here, make sure to download and install the latest driver updates. And once you're done, all you need to do is right click on Steam and run it as admin. And then just launch the game from your library. And that should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.